clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And
me de query ya me come before from. You on me, mako. My schedule. Ana me
be no much screenshot in the mama nipa. Say.
Oh,
Lavista.
Oh, na kra na kuma ya ne.
Lavista.
Aso pension no.
Pension bra me.
Oh.
Me mpese me kan sem bebre.
Oh.
Enti abusuafo enche bia na ohene babu ama ebedi nkomo ewo eye TV SYZ ana ochire mu a but the NDC for ede aye no ene eye campaign oyeye na eye Mahama eba power sesi ane de omoyi omani ama no enti santi se eye any TV station bia eto ne nsa efe na sesika na ye de be ma no emu odu a obejai TV SYZ na waye de okwakoye adwuma na abusuafo beka sa asem no Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ende ababekasa ewo ho saa nso na eye Sam George ono nso ende Okatakyie Afrifa mensa wababe fire no efa eye geefuo na omo ba Ghana na sesi a yente eho bibia no omo be sepe omo ho ewo eye Independence Square no yes Okatakyie Afrifa mensa wababe di inkomo ewo ho ene eye NDC members for na omo su se John Dramani Mahama wa promise womo afeli womo enti womo kamu ni nyina no ende Okatakyie Afrifa mensa wababe fire obia maako abusuya eha eye GH kwabi media so se oba so anidie mu na wa subscribe to your channel no na wa share wa like said ya afofro nso ebenya bi ati ende abusuya mamenfa wo enkotie die eye Okatakyie Afrifa mensa oka efa eye NDC members a omusu abraomaye campaign na campaign omoye wiye nso mfaso bia amba so okotre ekowe ni mako ema oponcheni eti hu fifire ena eye Sam George ono nso ensem obeka ye ewo campaign time efa eye trumu what ya se Okatakyie Afrifa mensa aba be fire ewo ho a abusuya enye easy yentie de ekoso ewo ho nyina.
So that's a misconception that's been put out, and I listened to that full BBC interview. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill, and he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill. That's a misconception that's been put out, and I listened to that full BBC interview. President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill, and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill. He can refer it within 30 days. He can refer it to the Council of State, who have 30 days to give him advice. That's what President Mahama was saying in that BBC interview. He was not saying that he now has to read the bill. President Mahama has read the bill. It's because he's read the bill that he told the clergy that when he becomes president.
Dani jina. On says will be chatra. Boss in Nino or Katakata Baku. Now one said I like baby Dani Odi Abesino. Will be chatra say ya name you. Man for more Sam George. The other million who chatro. Sam George. Sammy. It's a buy and bill na day. And Trumu bill na day. It's said that hey, I fear no Independence Square anyway. Na yi kofidro sofu kofidro tie me kanya me so watch no be adwuma watch no be preach there sofu ye hwe o ye ge no ese ba bia do no abushafo Julius Debra wa memoni it watch na again one can wasem oh I bet you be can wasem sofu odro we ko de ese oka jai shimi edi oso watch na be tia na we no sofu odro mo kan okore mo Sam George wa hu anim u twatra sa o ya hwe nanim ade na samia bre o hwe se de na boy anim ayi every campaign nipa so wo petumi na for to me ko same Some judge said the President Mama will know no peace if he doesn't sign the bill. Mama by Busumi Sieni. The Hianon wasn't signed. We knew you. On sign review. Don't waste our time. Some judge won't play antics in this area. Don't waste our time. President Mama doesn't have the balls to sign that bill. I'm saying it on authority. He does not have the balls. Because international communities, you know, gay communities, maybe they sponsor the campaign. Only boss. Messi baby sponsor the campaign. What power man yanko so babu drum ni yamfa so e. Messi wo be sponsor the campaign. What mean ya what the antics say ya. Oba ne nam wen kwesi we. No kra ne yanka nkere manfo. And the manfo no adwene di agro. Ai woni boss. Akamu ye ko ba ye na nka quick wa ye ne ade momfa bill ne mra. Na yi me sai. Okoya was say bill na expire. Yes, I reintroduce you. Obuawo pebre buying time. Precisely. Kontompo. I was only way on. Kontompo abai. Ewiemo tumfo. Amama muno. General for second one reason.
Madam fi what nenka.
Madam Bear.
We yonku your home tree.
Into me.
Dear here.
40 feet container. Is your
Kasongo.
Kasongo.
Kasongo ye. Kasongo say dey.
Okay,
no matter how. Who fruban da bia no ye who fruban aba bisi wo. We captain. Me ye ni ade say me kire say. Captain. We me wo na manfo ni tiwo na me kire say ye ne anuanom ntafo ni ade no ye tena ye fritete say ya na ye tia anya sa ye no makontokwa
da biu
enso fritete ni asantefo ni ye tribalistic ni ade we captain me anka say me nua wo menhia da bia mkokuma se ono ana ne menam ni ade captain ma me nua show na me mfro wate it is an ye no why ye beba ho ni abikire na Kasongo si de yentie Kasongo yentie no
ye entumi hwe won sabe ye tie bia no de be kwawie na me de kwawie enso enye se me de kwawie no makwa akotena ho me de kwawie ya me ko be foforo yo mbehwe me makọ ma jedjuma ana meti here as far as me media personnel meti here as far as me yen training no my say player me bow team na mani here na coaching be you are my opponent akobobo magiska eto kumangura TV SYZ so watina won to me TV pejasika pubio eba se wo kumangura bese me enko a na di akire makwakwa e madwuma because me media ni mo ba ye no won treat me as politician but treat me as a media personality I am me ba ye one treat me say me a politician you know definitely say me a politician I am not one of you.
Okay, so Danny, you if so intent. You if so, are you? Why the walk him? Said you are my using dampen. Okay, so general, many way are you pay or XYZ. So clearly, we'll be sana only certificate back okra. Yedene kwa waria wo eye nsema ho baby na one day menya no ho adaje. Then edu baby na na kodwa. No wode ne kone ehun nsem bebre. Ne papa ye chia me wo ohine bi ahemfie wo Western North na yebedi sankomo no ne umfi won Kasongo na oye no woboa wo emotional blackmail say or blackmail NDC for first of all who need degree who need any qualification you can see be my position be near be ma enti won hwe oba ne na mo office say ya and he's become rusty. So wanya kwasia aboa no intellectual firepower. And even if Julius Debra wants to help you, how is he going to help you? What is there for him to help you? Your frozen for CV bra never judgma. Whilst you are supposed to upgrade yourself, you will not upgrade yourself. Enipa yetimi win election. No abanu or konsi ya amfrena amena medidi amesa. And such a character. when you place yourself at that anchor, when you anchor yourself at that level, who will give you appointment?
Oh, fire.
Say it here. The entire Ubuafu Abetna, and it's all conqueror officer. They don't give you money. And that is why you are angry. Say, wouldn't to me first Kapudu Befawa.
Expose.
Who wastes time before Kapudu Abefawa? What are we wasting the time? Beya Kwasiani Abuya. Happy. Enti Kasongo. Media Minuano. Don't waste your time. At this point, there is nothing the NDC can use you for.
Never.
Bibi anyhow. When is Steve Wonder you say? Anyhow. Cause position be anywhere you can see the mu shemwa. Ebeye. Suku ya ma ankobi. Upgrade here some more upgrade mu upgrade. Dabi ya kwasia abua no wa hihye we mfuru ban no wa hihye na odi abesi wona your concert. So why do you think people will take you serious? Because you dress how you want to be addressed.
Exactly. So.
And you have to give yourself value. You yourself, you've not given yourself value.
Never.
You've not anchored yourself to a level that people will respect you, even when you walk to their office.
Exactly. So.
What did you 500,000 Ghana? Kasongo. They will not give you any position. They will not value you. Because what you want to know, you cannot be valued.
Advise him.
So you're my brother.
Call.
Yes, you insult me more often, but I don't care.
Never.
I'm only saying that look at yourself in the mirror once again.
Precisely.
Show whom you're in the mirror.
Call.
What are you doing wrong? Why are they not taking you serious? What can you do to upgrade yourself? Even the way you present some of these things.
Call.
My brother.
Call.
I mean, it's wrong. Very wrong. You must have your own path. You don't have a path. Come on, don't do this. It is a walk. And this is for him. Say you no kwa. Ya kon mesa boba akubia. And also walk money ade. Kojo mama ba. Ye mba kojo. Ono so kam. Ne ho ayareho. O se ndisi fo ade yi. Omo nhwe no. Dani boketu bi bobe ye nhwe. When your friend ye mba kojo no. No o se dey. Dani bo akra ne nhwe yi.
Ne ho no. Se Well, I'm interested in the because I'm a sacrifice. But my promise me when say all NDC appointees, I will never ever in my life send a copy office bill. All NDC appointees, I am occupying my appointment. Me, I will never ever come to be office bill because Mumubi, we are ungrateful. We are nyachum. Na mon kai say, a bedroom baby no. Mimi could be a medina hair who boom at the Tanitaniano. Like a kababi hem, because here we more. Mimi could do. Baby hem, because here we more. Na me, and me could see that. Every just say, answer me crowd one day. Being going this need be office. Me. What me who answer? What me who answer? The trust screenshots at the map will be. What me who answer trust screenshots? They come any pass me way because of the Nepal baby must say. Koneko kodintino. They may post to be a trust screenshot. The mama Nepal.
Oh,
Lavista.
Oh, Nakra, and Kumayani.
Lavista.
I saw pension.
That's your brother.
Oh,
Mempese, they can't send me breathe.
oh. You know,
Metia the moment near you, my Metia me can say, Metia Missika Samonia. More mutual screenshot no say coming to say more Jimmy and Munimi answer Moyan Passia Fontino.
Oh,
Munyan Sanka said, when a campaign up to now,
I think this sentiment, I don't know what the NDC is doing wrong.
Precisely.
Ora kojo do asare be kan be nano. Haji emi so be kan bi. Ana enenu kojo ayi JMba kojo. Enso ede Kasongo nso de and Kasongo is also complaining.
Precisely.
What is going on?
Steve Wonder
So kem. Otro shit. Say ade ne nkoyi. Steve Wonder.
Yeah, we go more in it.
Yenhwe omo.
I'm more emotional.
But when ko baby and nkrofo say disappointed.
6 months.
6 months. And people are getting disappointed.
Precisely.
Wow. So outside gentility, home cry.
Cry.
Agoja. Manfo no. Wo mo kam. And nano na kwadwo adu asare. Steve Wonder, Kasongo. Obaye na no boy na abranti.
We JMba o.
JMba na ngasa. Oso mo jimi. We dey no ordin. Minim party no. Minim what you guys can do to remedy the situation.
Precisely.
Because your people are complaining no.
Exactly.
And now me call Newtown. The Newtown boys na how much change your numbers? Franco. You. You know, I am trusting you. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Here for the Record Show. We need Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. Once again, you are back to the classroom. Let's educate the people. Let the people have an understanding of what constitutional democracy is. What constitutional.
Entina busua de etwagu ewo ye Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa ne side. Members of NDC. Omo ye campaigning. Ena sesi ane de omo kasa kro omo pe insuo anom no. Utumi hu se ade no akọ omumu. What you say because obi ku ne ho eye campaigning na onim se obenya bibi ewo mu. Enko wi ase na ade ne osun bia na utumi se ade na emu ayeten because one kasa ye be yi wa yibone. Enti wo hwe eye jeyamba what you say e na ono so osu no. Abusu ya mame hu adwe nkyere e wo comment section ho owie nsu a ane de mu. Na wa subscribe to your channel no se ni update bia nso etomu onso onsa ewekabe na wa share ato other platform so e de amaye se de afoforo nso ebenya bi atie kete wo se enye dodo nwura makra bye bye.